G'day and welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to show you something that I literally just bought today. I had to go into a shop called Kmart here in Australia. That is a store that sells all sorts of things. Like it sells stuff for your home, like sheets and pillows. It sells clothes, kids' toys, what else? Yeah, that kind of thing. So I don't know if that's like a Walmart. I'm not sure if Walmart sells food, like groceries. But if anyone knows, what's the American equivalent to a Kmart or a Big W? Anyway, so I had to go shopping today and had to go into Kmart because I needed some coloured paper, and that's where I thought I could get it. And it's quite a cheap shop, so you always get a bargain. And I was in there and I was just walking through the aisles in the craft aisle, which is where the, I'm pointing here because that's where the paper is. It's actually my tripod stand right now, so it works really well for that too. Yes, I'm walking around the craft section and I spotted some crochet hooks. Now, they normally sell, as far as I know, the really horrible ones that, this is my opinion, I don't like the really thin metal crochet hooks because I just don't like them. I prefer crochet hooks with a bigger handle on them, and it helps with hand cramps. This is just a cheap crochet hook. I think I got it on Amazon. I will put a link in for you for that one. But if you live in Australia, Kmart has crochet hook sets. You can see there, hopefully, the sizing, and they look really good. And I spotted these and I thought they look exactly like the ones I got on Amazon. And this is one of those Amazon crochet hooks. So this is a 3.5 and it is a pink. And their pink is a 3.5. What are the odds that this is like, you can't get any closer. That's looking pretty similar. So let's get it out of the packet. Now, you're not going to believe, I don't even know if I've already told you this, you're not going to believe the price. So you get, doesn't tell you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 crochet hooks for the amazing price of $7.50. What? Now my Amazon set costs me, I think, about $15. Still super cheap. And it came in a little case. Give me 1 second. It came in a little case like that, and it did come with some extras. Must be stitch markers in there. It came, oh no, they're needles. Came with some extras. So this is better value on Amazon. I will put a link in for you so you can check that out. It is better value, but if you don't shop on Amazon and you don't want to wait and you live in Australia and Kmart, sorry about the noise, Kmart is close to you, go check it out. Now, where is that pink crochet hook? Okay, so the colour is slightly different, but these are my 2 crochet hooks. These are the same crochet hook. That is just a different colour, because I would say like the dye lots in yarn, the dye lots in whatever this is, has changed. They've got 1 dot. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just change it, turn it. Can you see the 1 dot just here? And then on the back, turn them around. Is that turn around? Oh wait, no, too far. On the back there are 3 dots. The text, the imprint thingy, whatever you want to call it, It looks the same, but one is slightly bigger than the other. I don't know if that's showing up. Can you tell that that's slightly bigger than the other? And this one is a little more dirty than that one because I use this one and I obviously need to get a baby wipe and give that a bit of a clean. The tips are the same length. So I'm gonna go out here and say these are the same crochet hooks. They're the exact same shape. Exact same shape. Turn them over. Exact same shape. The reason I put my hand like that is because if I don't, it'll probably focus on my face and the crochet hooks will be blurry. So that's it. And I didn't lose crochet hooks, but I'm that person that has like about 50 works in progress. Slight exaggeration, but it's probably not far off as anybody else. Got lots of work in progress. Things in the naughty corner. Things you're never ever going to finish. So yeah, I won't take them all out, but these are the same crochet hooks. I'm going out on a limb here and I'm saying these are the same crochet hooks that you can get on Amazon, and they are $7.50 at Kmart. That is an absolute bargain. Is that less than $1 each one? Yeah, because you've got 9 crochet hooks and it's $7.50. Okay, petrol and all that to get there, but if you're doing groceries anyway and whatever, doing your shopping, grab yourself some crochet hooks. I actually use my version of these that I got from Amazon. I use them all the time. They are mixed in with my Clover and my Tulip crochet hooks, just randomly in different little cases. I don't even notice the difference. I would notice the difference in the shape because Tulip are a different shape, but crochet wise, like crocheting with the crochet hook, I don't notice a difference. I really don't. There's no difference in the way I hold it. There's no difference in any pains that I get in my hands. I don't get any pains with the ones with the, what is it, silicone? I don't even know. The rubber hooks, the rubber handled hooks. I don't get any hand pains with those. So I really recommend these. I wish I had a Kmart affiliate link so you could go and click it and buy your own. I do not. If you are not in Australia, I do have these on Amazon. You can also buy this if you're in Australia, obviously, because I live in Australia. You can also buy this too. My video camera is taking my photo as well as filming me. It had better be filming me. It's also taking my photo. I will put a link in. If you're in Australia, you can still buy this from Amazon. And also if you're basically around the world, Amazon's pretty much everywhere. You can get the ones in this case. I will put a link for those as well, so you can go and check them out. This is fabulous value, $7.50. You do not get a case, obviously. You could just buy a cheap pencil case if you had one, or like use one if you've got one, or buy another one. Or you can get this whole set which has sewing needles, stitch markers, the crochet hooks in it. I think you get the same amount of crochet hooks. I'm not 100% sure on that one. And you get this cool little case. So I'm going to stop chatting. I'm very excited. Can you tell? I cannot believe that I saw really cool crochet hooks in Kmart. Anyone else? If you've been to Kmart, can you believe that? I've seen really nice crochet hooks in Spotlight, but they were not $7.50. Let's just put that out there. So great crochet hook set. I recommend these because I use my Amazon set all the time. Well, that is all from me for this video. I hope you are having a fantastic day, and I'll see you later. Happy crochet.